Okay, let's go.
Good morning mga boss, your Kuya Elmer here. So it's early morning today, no? May 22, 2026. So today mga boss, we're heading to IT Park mga boss, kay mag-turnover ta sa atong sporty look pinakapugi nga 2021 Hyundai Rena automatic transmission. So our buyer ani is from Sikihor, through financing, and just I think mark 2 days approval naman siguro to right after pagpasa sa iyang mga requirements. And also mga boss, this marks also as 104 total sold units running only from secure buyers. So taga secure, for secure counting rin no, mapilabot laing lugar. So again, this mark also as 104 total sold units for secure buyers only since 2020. So nagsabot mi ni buyer mga boss no, kay since nag-arrive naman siya gabi and then mag-meet na lang mi sa IT Park today. Let's go. So mga boss, while waiting no, para sa tadri sa Yaon the malls but sirado man. Right, may talentag open parking diri. Right. Okay. So mga boss, muna tag turnover sa atong client no. So once again, this mark as 104 total sold units from secure buyers. So yarian gid sa buyer from Sikihor kay medyo excited gid siya. So bye bye Rena. Right, see you on the road. Amping sa imong bagong amo. Okay.